welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in a pretty new setup and I'm unboxing probably one of the rarest pairs that I've got in my collection. So I hope you like the new setup. This will be just for unboxings. I'll do the other setup for comparison videos. Yeah, I just think this is a pretty nice space to have this. I think I'm going to get something on the wall, but let me know what I should get. Let me know down below in the comments. So today we're unboxing the Fragment Nike Travis Scott Jordan 1 highs, and that's incredibly difficult to say, and I've had to repeat that sentence about 600 times in this clip. So hopefully I get it right eventually. But yeah, we'll be unboxing that, but I'd like to give a big shout out to today's sponsor. So I've worked with Legitmark a number of times, as you've seen in my video, and the safest and most reliable place to get your sneakers authenticated. And if you're spending this amount on a pair of shoes, you're going to want to get them checked. So I've left a link in the description if you want to check them out. So this pair was purchased from Dead Stock Dealers. I'll leave a tag right here, and that's their Instagram. They had a lot of these, so if you want to purchase a pair of these, I'm pretty sure they still have some in stock, but they were incredibly reliable. They shipped it to me within 2 days, so big shout out to them for sorting me out. But yeah, this shoe is pretty spectacular, and as you can see by the price, it's pretty hype, I guess. But it does come with one of those cover sleeves, but my only problem with this is it gets pretty damaged very easily. So it's got tons of scratch marks all over it, and when it's beat up, it doesn't look entirely nice. It kind of makes the shoe look a little bit tacky. But I do like all the different logos on it, the Air Jordan, the Travis Scott, and the Fragment logo all combined on the cover. And I really do like that. So it has come in a blue Nike box, and the label says Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, and the color code is DH3227105, and the color is sail black military blue. And I didn't manage to get these in my size. I am a true to size UK 9, but couldn't seem to find one for a good price. So this is a UK 9.5. It probably will fit, will be maybe a little loose, so I'll have to wear some thick socks, but it's the best I could do for a reasonable price. Well, a reasonable price that I was willing to pay, because these are going for an extortionate amount of money. So we'll take off the lid. Obviously it does have the Nike Fragment Travis Scott logo all over the pink paper as well. So we'll open that up. And here is your first look at a pair of Fragment Nike Travis Scott Jordan 1 highs. These are incredible. So we'll take out both of the shoes, and then I'll just give you my opinion on them. So here are the two shoes. My first opinion on them, I think I prefer the originals. The one without the Fragment collaboration. The full brown mocha pair just appeals more to me. I think this is actually quite a difficult shoe to wear, mainly because I wear neutral colors or black, and this is a blue and white shoe. So the blue, navy blue I guess, or military blue as they'll call it, doesn't really go with the outfits that I wear. I still think it's a really nice shoe. The quality on it could be better. If it's a Fragment shoe, I would expect it to be a lot better than what it is, but I do like all the designs. I do like the backward swoosh, but obviously you do get that on the original pair as well. I do like the inner side text on the sole. I just think that adds a little bit of detail. And I think that on the back of the shoe, the Fragment logo on one, and then obviously the Cactus Jack face on the back, I think that's a really nice touch, just switching up between them. And then once again on the tongue, you have the Fragment logo on one and the Cactus Jack one on the other one. I just think that these details just make it a little bit better and just make the shoe a little bit more unique. But my only problem is the color itself. It's just not my favorite one. I just don't really wear or like the navy blue. So that's the only issue with me. I think if it would be in the reverse one, which I've seen, which is like white and then brown, but it's the reverse of the mocha, I would have preferred it if they'd done a Fragment collaboration with that. But I know Fragment is kind of associated with the color blue. These shoes are going for such a crazy amount of money, and that's because they are such a limited release. We were expecting them to be on Sneakers EU, but they never even seem to drop, and we got no information on that at all. So these are really, really limited, and that's why the price is so high, because so many people, I guess, want a limited shoe. But in my opinion, it's just not the colorway that I would like them to be. I know other people have said they are one of the best highs ever, but in my personal opinion, I don't think they are. And I think they could have done a little bit more with them. I just feel they're a bit boring. but that's just my personal opinion. Let me know down below what you think of them. I know it does come with spare laces. We have the pink one, we have the military blue one, and then we have the white one. Because it has that white tongue, I'm probably going to put the white laces in them if I ever decide to wear them. Don't know if I will, they'll probably just go on the shelf right here for videos. But let me know down below what you think of these. Would you pick up a pair? Would you pay the price? And if you got them for retail, what would you do? Would you resell them or would you wear them? Thank you for tuning in. Hope you have a great day.